So this is assignment 17 for pre-calculus. I'm looking at numbers 15, 16, 17, and 19. And so the directions say that they want you to determine if the function is odd, even, or neither. And then the directions say you may use Desmos to check. Well, if it says that, then you should do that because it's definitely going to help you to look at a graph of it. And I did graph, here's 15, here's 16, here's 17. So definitely graph it in Desmos. And then if you follow the notes, you will see that an even, let me move this over, for a graph for a function to be even, it's going to have symmetry with respect to the y-axis. The y-axis is the axis going up and down, the one in the middle right here, and in the middle right here. Okay, so an odd function is going to have symmetry with respect to the origin, just at the 0, 0 center. Okay, and if it doesn't have either of these, either even or odd, it's going to be neither. So I figured it would be helpful to show one of each. Okay, so 15, you're going to see that here's the y-axis, and all the points on the left and all the points on the right are going to match up, and so that one's even. Number 16, you can see that this origin, you could rotate this graph. It's going to have symmetry about 0, 0, which is the origin, so that 16 is odd. 17 is your weird graph. Definitely doesn't have symmetry about the y-axis, and it does not have symmetry here at 0, 0 either. So that's why 17 is neither. Okay. Question number 19, instead of asking you to graph it in Desmos, it's already graphed it. And this one is definitely right here at 0, 0 symmetry, so that one is odd.